And it hurts me the way it hurts them, and I hate it. I hate it. And now this is why promo companies hate me. There's the feeling right back to you, because that's the feeling that you're making every single artist feel every time you give them fake promo, okay?
That's a bad mother.
What up, Smart Rapper Gang? In this video, it's unfortunate, but I'm gonna tell you why every single music marketing company, every music promo company is upset with me right now. I'm getting flooded with DMs from them, and I'm gonna show you some of these DMs in this video. They're pretty mad at me.
You're killing me, man!
But it makes sense, so I'm gonna make this quick video as quick as I can. But I wanna explain something to you, and I wanna explain to you why they're upset with me. And it's kind of the whole purpose of, Smart Rapper's existence, to help music artists, right? When I made these videos where I was talking about boosterboss.com, and I showed them how promo companies use these sites like Booster Boss in order to promote stuff for artists. But the thing is that the stuff on boosterboss.com is not real. But the problem, and the thing that makes me angry, is that the music promo companies say that they're real. And that's what pisses me off. Because you're telling an artist that they're gaining real fans when they're not. And then you're overcharging them and taking a cut of the money and making them feel like they really have fans.
Let's keep it real, man.
And what I was doing was eliminating these music promo companies from lying to artists. And also artists getting overcharged. And in one swift move, I just did as much as I could to just promote the hell out of it, to let people know, like, listen, stop paying these promo companies. These people are putting money in their pockets, and you're not really getting real promo. When you hire a promo company, you want your music actually promoted to people, correct?
Per night.
That's what I wanted. I hired one time, learned my lesson, got my music deleted, okay? The whole point in Smart Rappers to teach you from the mistakes that I've made, and also to help you get further, as well as protect you from things that may hurt you, and that includes fake promo companies. So my plan, yes sir, was to destroy all of these fake ass promo companies, the ones that buy 1 million views on Instagram, and they keep tricking thousands of artists a month to paying for promo to get pasted onto their page, then using something like boosterboss.com to fake the views and make the artists feel like they actually got seen by tens of thousands of people, yet they don't gain a single follow.
This is not about music!
Just stealing your money, pretending it's real. That's what pisses me off, is that they're pretending it's real when it's not, and you waste your money when you could have took the money, put it in a YouTube ad. Did some real marketing with it, okay? So I'm gonna show you one of the screenshot of this guy, okay? So he said, I'm talking about the day this video released. This guy said, I can't believe, and this is all he said to me. He said something else previously. Obviously, I talked to everybody in my DMs. As long as you're not like asking me for a bunch of favors and stuff, I respond to everybody. But he said, I can't believe you released that to the public. Oh God, this hurts us promoters. Damn right, damn right. That was the point. That was the entire purpose, was to destroy the entire economy of fake promoters.
If you think I'm here to play around with y'all, on that.
Point blank period. That's why I push it so damn hard. When I'm trying to do things for you guys, for you girls, I do them with the purpose of, I have a strategy in mind. I have a purpose in mind. There's a reason for everything that I do, right? And in this circumstance, it was to completely destroy this. And I have other things. I'm gonna change the entire producer industry as well. I have plans on so many things, massive scale. You guys have no idea what I'm planning in the background. You see things in the foreground, same thing with you, right? You're working. Nobody sees all the work you're doing. Nobody knows what you're doing. And you guys know me. You think I'm a
not doing nothing. Can't be serious, man.
So I'm gonna read you what I said to him, right? So all these things are happening in the background, and when you see all the things that I was doing in the background to help you and change things and blow everything up, you're gonna understand. If you already know me, been doing this. I've been helping artists for 6 years now, taking over now about 15 years of experience of just hustling and doing all the things and being in the shoes that you're currently in, okay?
He ain't lying.
So this is what I said to him. I was like, honestly, man. I said, sorry, my man, it had to be done. I'm tired of getting hundreds of DMs a week of kids asking me if promo is real, or coming to me after they buy something and tell me it doesn't seem to be real, but they said it was real all the time. And it hurts me the way it hurts them, and I hate it. I hate it. And now this is why promo companies hate me. There's the feeling right back to you, because that's the feeling that you're making every single artist feel every time you give them fake promo, okay?
That's a bad mother.
Now I'm talking thousands and thousands of DMs over the last 4 years. The entire point in that series of videos was to help artists from being overcharged for these same services that they can get right at the source. It protects them from buying something from promoters who claim it's real, and also brings light to the fact that 99.9% of music promo companies are selling fake services and not telling artists. So hardworking artists keep investing their money single after single and never see any true growth. Those artists hurt individual artists' dreams and hopes in themselves as they pay over and over again and seem to have streams, yet no real fans they thought they earned. Basically, I did it to destroy every scam artist out there. Any real ones will have to prove themselves now. You get me? If they do real promo, they're gonna have to prove themselves now. That's the big play. okay? And everything I do is to protect you guys. It's what I freaking do. And it's what I've been freaking doing, okay? So if they're gonna be mad at me, be mad at me. What you gonna do? Give me fake streams? Oh no. I'm scared. Right? They shouldn't even be angry at me. They should be angry at themselves. They should be upset that they were putting money into their pockets. Yeah, okay, you can't put money in your pockets, but it's different if you would tell artists that it was real. So many of these companies, so many after researching them, even ones that almost tricked me, then I looked deeper, right? I felt that feeling my stomach almost tricked me. Screw you, right? Almost, okay? And then I had the owners of the company screaming at me, you're an ass. I'm like, yeah, I'm an ass because you're stealing from artists. I got all the texts and stuff like that. I'm like, no, our stuff's real. I'm like, if it's real, you can't guarantee, you can't say you're gonna get, you get 25,000 streams, you get 300 followers. Red flag, you can't guarantee any numbers when you're doing promo. You can assume a number, you can't give a real number. And then all these fake ass companies who don't realize I even own Smart Rapper, they see I do music and they freaking come to me and they're like, hey Rob, I can get you 1 million streams for like $5,000. I'm like, huh? Do you know who the fuck you're talking to? I'm like, you just threw yourself in a hole because now you went on the list of people that's selling fake promo. And if I call you out, your entire business is destroyed because I help artists. So when I get those DMs, I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. Like you just like snitched on yourself. What are you doing? Anyway, so I made this video to tell you why I did what I did and pointed out everything that I pointed out because it needed to be done. The promo companies needed to be crushed, right? Y'all need to go get a real job. Stop stealing from artists. And by the way, if anybody ever emails you saying, we're gonna offer you a record deal, it's fake. I'm getting hundreds of those a week too, okay? No. They're preying on your hopes and dreams, hoping that you think it's real because they, you believe in yourself and they're like, well, maybe this is real. You want it to be real. And that's how they steal from you. Stop letting these people steal from you, okay? Protect yourself. Be smart. You have to earn it. If it comes fast like that, it's not real, man. This takes years of dedication and believing in yourself and overcoming. Okay, you're gonna spend at least 3 years getting yourself off the ground. When you're one of these newer artists and you don't have two albums, 2 projects out, 3 projects out, and somebody's coming at you like, hey, yeah, there's a record label deal from Colombia, and they go to the damn website, it's not even a real freaking website, or they're claiming to be somebody else, and they're like, we can get you a deal, and they require you to pay money.
Ain't no way, boy.
It's a scam. Labels don't do that. Label flew me out to have a meeting with me from Southside Chicago to LA, went into the office with the company that backs, name a big artist, sat down with them. They paid for the flight. I said to pay for my hotel, okay? They don't ask you for money. Anyway, I just keep seeing that. I just need to tell you guys, all right? Either way, just stay safe, all right? Be smart. If you have any questions, put them below. You need any videos you need me to make, you need anything, you need any information. If you think something's a scam, DM me at Rob_level. I respond to those things to protect you, all right? Either way, I'm just getting this out of the way. This video needed to be made. Either way, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm grateful that you guys take your time to watch these videos and you learn from them. And I see the comments, I see the appreciation every day, and it's the reciprocation, and I'm glad I can help you and the future superstars, all right? So anyway, keep hustling, gang. Hit me with a subscribe if you wanna, unsubscribe if you wanna, but subscribe again. All right, keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
They be asking me like, Rob, how'd you make it high? Chasing music as a job without suicide. I'm old, it made the money make me blind. Cause all I see is pain when I'm inside. Then they say to me like, Rob, so your Jekyll high.